Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, we will be learning how to download and install Life360 application on your iOS device. So let's get started without wasting much of our time. First of all, unlock your iPhone or your iPad and then open up your App Store. Soon after you open up the App Store, go to the search icon at the bottom right and tap on it. In the search box at the top, type in Life360 and press search. After you do that, go ahead and check in the search result and look for this application. Tap on the Get or the Download button with a little arrow in it and wait for the app to download and install on your iOS device. You may need to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password to start the download. Once the app is downloaded and installed, tap on the Open button. And there you have successfully downloaded Life360 on your iOS device. You can now get started creating a new account or sign into an existing one. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more of these tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.